Did you come too close to the road again?
No, they hit me on purpose.
Cruel.
This world seems to hate black cats. They say we're bad luck. But there was this old lady who was always feeding me. Death, can I see her for one last time?
Of course.
I wonder where she is. She didn't eat a thing.
I'm sorry, I couldn't say goodbye.
Oh, you poor thing. Oh, come here.
Hello, I might be old and miss one eye, but I can see you very well. Hello, I'm here. I'll be your best friend. Hello? I'm a good kitty. I promise.